Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States, Chapter 16, Shloka 18.
Given to egoism, power, haughtiness, lust, and anger, these malicious people hate me in their own bodies and in those of others.
Chapter 16, Shloka 18. Ahankaram balam darbam kamam krodam cha samshritaha mamatma paradeheshu pratvishandobhyasuyakaha.
Chapter 16, Shloka 18. Such low men, that is, the diabolically fallen, continue falling lower and lower each day. Once egoism takes possession of an individual, he steadily sinks into the ugliest depths of animalism. He forgets the dignity of a cultured man intoxicated by passions. Though he is physically a man, he instinctively behaves like an animal. All human beings have egoism, brute strength, arrogance, passion, and anger in some measure, and they work to grow out of these qualities, but the Asuric man comes to pin his faith on these qualities and he struggles to discover his fulfillment only in the expression of these qualities. The consequence of disrespecting all cultural values, living an uncultured egocentric existence of passions and desires, would be nothing short of total destruction of life. Such persons ignore the sanctity of life and without guilt desecrate it. Lord says that they not only come to hate me in their own bodies but in those of others too. The sacred life, the Paramatman, does not come out to express its full play when clouded by the low sensuous urges. Ethical values are very important as they are the disciplines of the thought life for the integration of the inner personalities of the seeker of the self. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video.
To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.